Hello, everyone. I am so excited that you are perhaps considering joining me in Level 1 Archetypes and exploring your soul contracts. I am Gina Brezini, and I will be your guide and your hostess in that journey into the fascinating world of the archetypes. We just completed the first class that I taught on this topic, and it was so successful I decided to create a new one. It was a lot of fun. It's like learning a new language, learning the language of symbols. Why is it important? Well, if you're a life coach or anybody who is into the healing, mental health work, this will be tremendous help for you. Of course, the most important part, in my opinion, is your own journey and getting to know your own true self and getting to understand what are you made of. So according to the material that I teach, there are 12 archetypes which are the most pronounced within each one of us. So if sometimes you find yourself being in conflict and you catch yourself having conflicting thoughts and as if somebody's fighting inside you, well, this is actually what's happening. This might be your archetypes who have not been harmonized. So one of the things that we're learning in this series of workshops on the archetypes is really to begin harmonizing different parts of ourselves internally, and making them more harmoniously, to relate to each other in more harmonious ways. And for me, what that means is that we're becoming whole. There are splits within each one of us, and usually those splits happen when some event that has affected us deeply had happened, and it's like, this is what happens, boom, a split inside. So learning how to become whole again, learning, remembering what are the different parts within, how to harmonize them, so you can use all of your energy in service of what you would like and what you want and what you love, and creating the life that you want. This is why you want to take this course. If you are if you just are on a journey, on a hero's journey, see, this is an archetypal pattern itself. If you're on a hero's journey of knowing yourself and of evolving spiritually or in any other way, this is for you, because you're going to find out what are the most important lessons that you are here to learn in this lifetime. Your soul contracts are the lessons that you're here to learn in order to evolve to the next level. I look forward to seeing you. This will be fun. It's only 3 weeks. We meet on Tuesdays, 7 to 9 Eastern Time. We begin on September 8th. I'll see you in the course.